Hi, everyone, and happy Monday. It's your friend Ryan Rolfe with the Dsmsold team at Keller Williams Legacy Group here in Des Moines in central Iowa. And it is time for another episode of Monday Market Update. So, once again, if you watch these videos, thank you so much. And of course, special thank you to Simply Des Moines Stats. I always watch that video right before I record and share these videos. So it's a lot of recaps of what Les Solgrove with the Iowa Association of Realtors has shared about the Des Moines market, as well as a weekend market update of what's happened over the past couple of days. So thanks so much, Les, for all of the great information. You always provide such amazing stats, and it's super helpful in helping us agents understand the market. So without further ado, let's jump in. And one of the things that Fannie Mae does each month is a homebuyer sentiment survey. So this month, or this week, I should say, Les talked about the homebuyer sentiment survey. So I looked that up, and the headline is, well, it's one of those newsworthy headlines, those eye-catching headlines. Home buying sentiment hits a new survey low. So they survey homeowners, home buyers, and individuals, that are maybe have been through the home buying process or considering it. And one of the interesting things, though, is if you look at 2024 versus 2023, yes, home buyer sentiment has definitely gone down. However, if you look at the same time last year, home buyer sentiment is still above where it was last year. So that definitely was an interesting factoid from that. Overall, in central Iowa, the median list price is slightly lower in 2024 versus 2023. So that's looking at everything, existing homes and new homes. If you're looking at just existing homes, it is slightly higher. So, that's good if you're selling a resale property, your values are a little bit higher. And it sounds like most home sellers are anticipating that prices will stay the same or maybe even go up a little. Home buyers, of course, hoping they come down. Fannie Mae, 2/3 of respondents in the survey said that they would buy versus rent, though. So when they look at would you buy or rent, individuals may not feel like it's a good time to buy, but they still feel like buying is better than renting overall. So 2/3 of respondents said they would rather buy than rent, which is definitely great news for our market. With more inventory coming on the market and higher rates, really just means more options for home buyers. And of course, as I've said many times before, you can change your interest rate. You can't change the price of the house. Just like supply and demand, if interest rates go down, more buyers come into the market, house prices go up. Guess what? You can't change that price, but you can change your interest rate if you buy now and refinance later. So that's definitely something to consider. I know I sound probably like a broken record when I mention that, and yet it is definitely something worth considering. Find a payment that's comfortable for you with today's rates, and know that when the time comes that rates come down and it makes sense for you to refinance, you're going to save money each month based on your lower interest rate. So let's talk about what happened this weekend. 158 new homes came on the market. 120 homes went into pending or under contract status, and 109 homes sold and closed. Total active inventory continues to rise each week, which is really good, again, for buyers that are looking, gives you more time and more opportunities. For folks that are selling, it really is about presentation. We can definitely get still a great price, but it's all about presentation. How are you presenting yourself in the mix of your competition? So what does that look like, and where are you finding yourself in the price bracket? And also, when people look at your home online versus your neighbor's homes in the area, if they're looking in that general area, that general price point, how does yours compare? So if you've got questions about what all of this means, feel free to reach out. And of course, if you want more information on the National Housing Survey by Fannie Mae, feel free to reach out, and I'd be happy to send that to you as well. Thanks everyone for watching, and have a great week. Take care. Bye.